gonna be doing a hair treatment with eggs, molasses, and aloe vera, and I'm gonna blend it up and put it in this big head of mine. So yeah, come on, we're gonna do that right now. Right, so I have my aloe vera right here. It's still kind of leaking that yellow thing that we don't want, so just gonna let that sit right there. I'm only using one egg. I think one is enough. And I have this bottle of molasses. And I'm gonna be using some honey as well. So I have my little blender right here. Look at all this goo. I love it. Wow. All this good stuff in my hair. I'm getting excited right now. So anyways, I'm just using a spoon to just get all that gel. Like I'm just scraping the gel off the leaf as much as I can, and then I'm just throwing it in my blender. Gonna add my honey now. Okay, I think that's enough. So I'm gonna use a lot of the molasses. Bruh. And I love the way it smells. That's a whole lot of momo. So I have my shower caps, or my steam caps, whatever you want to call them. I'm just getting some elastics as well because I'm gonna section my hair into maybe, I don't know, 4. I'm thinking of 4, but my hair is a bit short. I don't know if I could manage 4, but we gonna try. Smell it. It smells so good. I don't know, I love the way how molasses smells. I'm gonna dip my hair ends into it. Okay, so for those of you who don't know the benefits of molasses for the hair, it has a lot of nutrients and it helps to nourish and strengthen the hair externally. It's like honey, so it's like a natural sweetener, but for the hair it's really good to be used as a natural conditioner. It helps to make your hair soft, smooth, and because it's so dark, like it can be used to darken your hair. But that's not really what I was going for, but it can be used to darken your hair if you probably have like gray hair, or if you have like a bleached color, it will help to bring your hair back to, like, it's just gonna make your hair dark. But other than that, it's really good for your hair in terms of deep conditioning and that kind of stuff. We already know that eggs are good for our hair because it's protein, so that's good. Honey is similar to the molasses in the sense that it's good for deep conditioning and making your hair smooth and that kind of stuff. Aloe vera is also very good for your hair. It contains some enzymes which help to repair like the dead skin cells on your scalp, and for me personally, I think it really helps to define my curls. Like if my hair is looking really frizzy and dry, I can put some aloe vera in it and my curls are gonna be like amazing, right? And it helps with conditioning your hair as well. Alright guys, I'm just gonna let this stay on my head for 20 more minutes and then I'll come back and I'm gonna go wash it out and take a bath because this is super sticky. This is what I used to wash my hair out after I did the treatment. I haven't used shampoo in a while. We have a thing called co-wash for a reason, you know, like you can't skip your shampoo. So this is what I use to wash my hair out. It's just this big ass tub of conditioner that I bought. It's the Wow Honey and Almond enriched with aloe vera conditioner. I love it. Like it's like thick and like it smells really good and it makes my hair soft, so I love it because yeah, I'm on a serious hair journey and I'm gonna get back my length, so I'm always like doing treatments where I'll be using more conditioner or you know, whatever. So yeah, I just washed my hair out. This is what my hair is looking like now. And in my part 1 video, if you watched the part 1 video as well, I was telling you that when my hair is wet, you can see some of my hair that's still straight from when I flat ironed it, like right here. So you see it's like curly, and then this tip right here is like straight. I think I'm gonna cut it off. So yeah, this part is still straight. This as well. Oh my goodness, I'm not gonna have any hair left at the front. Oh my goodness, I did it. Jeez, I did it.